So today you guys are going to be watching a quick install on this red curly hair. This hair is from my collection, but I currently no longer sell hair. The only way you can get hair from me is if you have it with a service. I have services that you can book and you can have the hair included. Right now I'm just going ahead and tinting the cap so it matches her skin color. Same thing I do in every video. But I probably will record a video of like a detailed bald cap method so you guys can really understand how important this step is. Right now, I'm just going ahead and cleaning the skin and adding skin protector. I like to focus on my ears last because I have more flexibility on how I want to cut it and it's just easier for me to see. I also blow dry the hair on high heat just to let the lace melt into the skin better.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
As I'm cutting, I also noticed that I needed to pluck a little more, but I did that off camera. So you guys will see it looks a little more plucked right before I start doing the baby hairs.
not a game, it's a rich thing.
To be honest with you guys, I had some ending clips of me like fully styling the hair after she came from under the dryer, but they're the videos are messed up. I don't know what happened to them, but I just hope you guys enjoyed the finishing clips. I hope you guys like the results of the hair. Her hair is very, very sleek, very shiny. The curls are popping. As you can see, this color like literally was lifted from black. Her hair was black and it lifted to this cherry red color, so my hair is very good for lifting colors. The curls are still popping, full of life. They're not dry, they're not stiff. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.